Yes. Well, those are crickets probably.
They sound like a frog.
They sound like a frog? The ones you're thinking of sound like frogs? You might be thinking of a cricket. This is a cicada. They kind of are in trees and they make lots of noise. You can look at him like with your real eyes. You don't have to look at him through the camera.
You can touch him.
No, don't touch him. He's trying to dry off.
I will get him all wet.
We don't want him to be. We don't want to interfere with his process here.
Quickly take a video.
Yeah.
The caterpillar goes to a cocoon.
Oh, you found another cocoon?
No, Mom. What is he?
He's a cicada.
What?
Yeah.
A big one. He looks like a dad.
A dad cicada? Oh.
A dad and a baby all son. Like and subscribe for more CFT.